In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Notion versus Evernote versus OneNote 3 of the most popular note-taking and organizational apps, so you can figure out which one will help you stay productive, organized, and on top of your tasks. Let's start with Notion. It's an all-in-one workspace that allows you to combine notes, databases, calendars, to-do lists, and even wikis into one tool. It's perfect for those who love customization. You can build a knowledge base, track tasks, or create complex projects using various views, like tables, boards, and lists. The strength of Notion lies in its flexibility. You can link pages, embed media, and create a personal or team workspace that adapts to your needs. If you're the type of person who likes to build systems and structure your work the way you want, Notion gives you the freedom to do so. However, with all its features, it can feel overwhelming at first, and the more complex your system becomes, the slower the app can get. Notion is great for people who want an all-in-one, highly customizable workspace where they can blend note-taking, project management, and databases seamlessly. Evernote, on the other hand, has long been a go-to tool for note-taking. It's simple, straightforward, and designed for capturing ideas, notes, and to-do lists quickly. It supports text, images, audio, and document attachments, making it ideal for people who need a reliable place to keep a wide variety of content. Evernote's search capabilities are one of its strongest features. You can quickly search your notes, whether they're handwritten or typed, and find exactly what you need. Evernote also makes it easy to organize your notes with notebooks and tags, so you can stay organized without a lot of effort. However, Evernote is more limited when it comes to complex organizational systems compared to Notion. If you need advanced features like databases or multi-view projects, Evernote won't provide the same level of customization. Evernote works best for users who need a quick and reliable place to store and search notes without the need for advanced systems or project management tools. Now let's talk about OneNote. OneNote is another powerful note-taking app, and it's often praised for its intuitive notebook interface. It works similarly to a physical notebook, with sections and pages that you can organize freely. OneNote supports text, drawing, images, and even web clippings. If you like the feel of a traditional notebook but with digital features, OneNote is a strong contender. One of its biggest benefits is its deep integration with the Microsoft Office ecosystem. If you already use Microsoft Word, Excel, or Teams, you'll find OneNote easily fits into your workflow. It also allows for a lot of flexibility in how you organize your content. However, unlike Notion or Evernote, OneNote isn't as strong when it comes to managing tasks, projects, or databases. While it's fantastic for taking and organizing notes, you might miss the more structured elements that Notion offers. OneNote is perfect for people who like a notebook-style organization, especially if you already use Microsoft products and need something to capture and organize ideas quickly. So, which one is right for you? Notion is the best option if you need a versatile, all-in-one workspace that allows you to take notes, manage projects, and create custom systems. If you prefer flexibility and customization, Notion has everything you need. Evernote is ideal if you want a simple, no-frills solution for capturing and organizing notes quickly, especially if searchability is important to you. OneNote works best for people who like the notebook experience and already use Microsoft tools, providing an easy transition into digital note-taking with robust organization features. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Notion, Evernote, or OneNote, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.